Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this very large 3D rose on both sides of this beautiful dress that we made for our client's maternity shoot. So I'm going to show you how I achieve this beautiful 3D rose. So this is the biggest size, this is the next one, and this is the smallest size. So we'll show you how to cut it. So for the biggest size, this is the length that I use 7 inch as the length of the biggest size. Then here I use 1 inch. Then you just mark somewhere between 3 to 2 inch and get the width that you're going to be using. Then you connect. So just connect it the way it's showing on this video. So it depends, the width and the length depends on you, what size you want, how big you want it to be. There's no particular measurement, that it's not compulsory you use the measurement I'm using here. So here is the width of this is 2, that's the largest part. Then the width of the bottom is 1 inch as well. Then the difference between the big one and the small one, that is also depends on you. But here I use 1 inch. Then the smallest, between the smallest and the medium one, is about 3 inch or 2.5. So it depends on you what you want. Then you can cut it out on the fabric of your choice. So this is all of it cut out. Now you can use crinoline mesh. You can use crinoline mesh to be your stiffener, or you can use the copper wire, or you can use your fishing line. So this is a boning as well that you can use. So for this I use crinoline mesh. So I'm just going to cut out my crinoline mesh the exact size. Then you sew it onto it and turn it out like this. So if you are using copper wire, all you have to do is turn them first, then you sew a pocket on it, then you insert your copper wire to use it as your stiffener. So this is it. Now we're going to start attaching them. So the first one I'm going to be doing is the big size. So you just sew them like this, attach them like this. So this is going to be about 5 or 6 in each of them. So just so then don't drag it yet, just make sure that you tag them together like this. Then you now drag them and start securing them properly with your needle and thread. So this is the big one done, secured properly. So we're going to do the same thing to the medium size before the small one. So you drag again, then you start securing them. So this is it. So we're going to tack it onto the big size, the biggest one. So you just tack it together like this, secure it properly. So this is what it looks like after tacking. So we're going to move to the smallest one. So just how you're going to place them. Then you tack it down. So you bring the next one, place it between the first and the second one. Bring the last one and you place it. So we have 4 here. So this is what it looks like. So we're going to now place it inside this and tack it down. So after tacking, this is what we have. This is it. Very beautiful. You can do this in any fabric of your choice and any color. Place this on any dress. So this is what it looks like on this beautiful maternity dress for our client. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.